Connectivity problems are the leading cause of Dasher app issues, responsible for 45% of cases where drivers stop receiving orders. When your order flow suddenly stops, your internet connection should be the first thing you check. Start with immediate fixes that work in most cases. First, toggle airplane mode on and off. Turn it on for 30 seconds, then turn it off and wait for your device to reconnect. This forces a complete network refresh. Next, switch between connection types. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa. Test which connection gives you better performance. For persistent issues, reset your network settings completely. For advanced solutions, configure your DNS settings to use Google's servers. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary to 8.8.4.4. These are Google's fast and reliable DNS servers. Use network analyzer apps to identify optimal cellular bands and find the strongest signal areas in your delivery zone. These apps help you monitor connection quality in real time. For drivers who consistently face problems in certain areas, consider investing in mobile signal boosters. These devices amplify weak cellular signals and can be a worthwhile investment for professional drivers. Remember the basic requirements for the Dasher app to function properly. You need a minimum of 1 megabit per second stable connection, consistent signal strength, and low latency for real-time order updates. 4G LTE or reliable Wi-Fi connections work best. The key takeaway is simple. When orders stop coming, fix your connectivity first. This single step resolves nearly half of all Dasher app problems and gets you back to earning quickly. When connectivity isn't the issue, app-level problems account for 28% of Dasher order delivery failures. These issues are often easier to fix than network problems. The most common app-level fix is clearing your cache regularly. Cache files can become corrupted and prevent proper order delivery. Let's look at how to do this on Android devices. For iPhone users, the process is different. iOS doesn't allow direct cache clearing, so you need to offload and reinstall the app. This removes all cache data while preserving your login information. Beyond cache clearing, maintain your app properly. Force close and restart the app every 2 to 3 hours during long shifts. Always update to the latest version within 48 hours of release. Server-side issues cause 15% of order delivery problems. These are beyond your control, but you can monitor them. Check the official DoorDash status page or follow their support Twitter account for real-time updates. When problems persist, contact Dasher support through the in-app chat. Document specific error messages and timestamps. For recurring issues, request technical escalation to get specialized help from their engineering team. Remember that 67% of app and server issues can be resolved using these standard troubleshooting steps. Regular maintenance and knowing when to seek help will keep you delivering orders efficiently.